It was a bright start to the day like we talked about yesterday, but here comes the rain, expanding and moving through the area as the evening goes along here. If you've got outdoor activities, you are going to get wet. Earlier on the west side and a little bit later on the northeast side as it moves in from the west and southwest. Here stopping at midnight now, you can see widespread rain around here. There could be some thunder, nothing more than just your average garden variety, the rumble of thunder and a little flash of lightning as we go along. And tomorrow morning, most of it tries to start to pull away. However, there's a second surge that is likely in the afternoon, and that moves through here too, so expect a lot of clouds on your Wednesday, much cooler temperatures, and the rain could stick around most, if not all, of the day. Here's your forecast. 43 for low tonight, rainy with a chance for thunderstorms. Again, nothing strong there. Winds south and southwest this evening, then turning to the northwest late tonight at 10 to 20, and it's a breezy one tomorrow too, with a west to northwest wind at 15 to 25. The high today well into the 60s, 70 in some spots, including Detroit. But tomorrow it's only 49 for high because of all the clouds and the rain that will stick around. Here's your 7-day forecast now. 49, 49 to 58. That's the rest of the work week. There is a chance for a shower on Thursday as well, and then Friday we start to dry it out. Right now it looks like a pleasant weekend. 62 on Saturday and 65 on Sunday. And yes, Monday and Tuesday seems like a long way away, but we've got a shot at the 70s.